As your business grows, so does the need to clearly communicate and coordinate design changes, processing incoming requests, understanding the implications of potential changes to your SOLIDWORKS CAD relationships, and ensuring traceability for all approvals is inherently complex. But managing your change process doesn't have to be. Let's follow Pete and Eric as they streamline their change management with collaborative industry innovator on the 3D Experience platform. Pete's been visiting customers to understand how they can improve the foot design. As users provide him input, he utilizes his tablet to capture the feedback and logs it as an issue. Issues are a powerful way to document enhancement requests and design problems. Pete can select the affected item, provide a quick screen capture with an annotation, and then assign it to Eric for review, completely streamlining their communication. Back in the office, Eric manages the incoming issues on his dashboard. A simple drag and drop allows Eric to visualize the issue on the associated model, and to provide Pete with feedback that will stay connected to the design. He's confident they can make the change, so he updates the issue to an in-work status and starts a formal change action directly from the issue. All the information is carried over, making Eric's life easier. He simply sets the priority and a due date and hits save. Now, Eric can begin building out the change details. Pete is automatically added so he can be notified when it's completed. And Eric assigns the design changes to Debbie, his lead SOLIDWORKS user. But what about other stakeholders? Eric adds an approval template to the change action to ensure everyone involved can review and sign off on the design change. With any change, it's important to do a full change assessment. The 3D Experience platform enables Eric to identify all upstream relationships to fully understand the impact of the change. Affected drawings and assemblies can be selected and dragged onto the change action. Now, Eric just needs to move the change action to an in-work status, which automatically creates all the needed revisions. For Debbie, the change action now provides the needed information and permission for any updates to the design. She simply needs to work under the change action inside SOLIDWORKS. With material removed from the linkage, Debbie updates the change action maturity directly from the task pane, initiating the chain of reviews and approvals. With the 3D Experience platform, the team no longer passes around physical paper, requesting approval signatures. Instead, Eric can provide a digital sign-off with his username and password. Approving the change action automatically updates the lifecycle status of the affected items to released. And the best part? A digital record of all approvals is captured, providing full traceability. Managing your change process doesn't have to be complex. With Collaborative Industry Innovator, you can process incoming ideas, understand the implication of design changes, and track approvals, all from a web browser. And with the 3D Experience platform, your data, projects, and products are all connected, providing a seamless, single source of truth. What barrier to change will you overcome with 3D Experience Works?